Hello, today I am going to show you 5 online jobs that are paying up to $500 per day. And the best part is, you don't need any experience to do these jobs. So anyone can start doing them right away. So let's get into it. 1. Online tutoring. Now this is one of my favorite side hustles, because you can literally make thousands of dollars every month just by helping other people learn. The thing that I like the most about online tutoring is that you can set your own hours. So if you want to work part-time or full-time, it's completely up to you. You can work whenever you want, and you can also choose who you want to work with. For example, you can choose what age group you want to work with, what subject you want to teach, and so on. Now, when it comes to how much money you can make from online tutoring, it really depends on your experience and qualifications. But on average, tutors can make anywhere between $20 to $50 per hour. And if you're able to secure 10 students per week, that would be $500 per week or $2,000 per month. Now, if you want to become an online tutor, there are many different websites that you can sign up on. One of the best ones is TutorMe. It's a very popular website, and they offer competitive pay and flexible hours. 2. Sell stock photos and videos. This is another great way to make passive income, because once you upload your photos and videos, you can make money from them for years to come. Now when it comes to how much money you can make from selling stock photos and videos, it really depends on the quality of your work and how much demand there is for your photos and videos. But on average, you can expect to make around $30 to $70 per image, or $50 to $200 per video clip. Now if you're able to upload 10 images and 5 video clips per week, that would be around $200 to $500 per week, or around $800 to $2,000 per month. Now when it comes to where you can sell your stock photos and videos, one of the best websites is Shutterstock. They have a very easy-to-use platform, and they offer competitive payouts. 3. Social Media Manager. Now this is a great option for those who are good at marketing and have a passion for social media. As a social media manager, your job would be to help businesses grow their social media presence by creating engaging content, managing their social media accounts, and running their advertising campaigns. On average, social media managers can make around $50,000 per year, or $4,000 per month. And the best part is, many businesses are willing to pay top dollar for this service, as they know that it is essential in today's digital age. Now if you want to become a social media manager, one of the best websites to look for work on is Upwork. It's a very popular website for freelancers and businesses looking for social media managers. For virtual assistant. Another great work-from-home job is becoming a virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant, your job would be to provide administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients remotely. This could include things such as scheduling appointments, managing email accounts, handling customer service inquiries, providing technical support, and more. On average, virtual assistants can make around $35,000 per year, or around $3,000 per month. And the great thing is there is a high demand for virtual assistants, as more and more people are choosing to work remotely. Now, if you want to become a virtual assistant, one of the best websites to look for work on is Fancy Hands. It's a website that connects virtual assistants with clients in need of their services. 5. Online surveys and microtasks. Now this is probably the easiest job on the list, but unfortunately it is also the lowest paying one. As an online surveyor, microtasker, your job would be to complete small tasks, such as answering questions, categorizing data, transcribing audio files, and more. While this isn't the highest paying job, it's still a great way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. You can set your own hours and you can work at your own pace. Plus, there are many different websites that offer online surveys and microtasks, so you can choose the ones that fit your schedule and pay well. Now when it comes to how much money you can make from online surveys and microtasks, it really depends on the website you use. But on average you can expect to make around $10 to $30 per hour. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.